The LG CX. Pronounced C10. Is that amazing? From class-leading picture quality to great features for gamers. This is the aspirational TV worth shelling money out for. Let's find out. If you seeing this channel for first time and like to see similar reviews in future, then hit that subscribe button, right now. Please do not subscribe, if you are not planning to see, because it will reduce my click-through rate. The best gaming TV with an OLED panel that we've tested is the LG CX OLED. It delivers stunning picture quality as it can produce perfect blacks by turning pixels off completely, making it a fantastic choice for darkroom gaming. If you doubt what is the difference between QLED and OLED, then here it is. QLED comes out on top on paper, delivering a higher brightness, longer lifespan, larger screen sizes, and lower price tags. OLED, on the other hand, has a better viewing angle, deeper black levels, uses less power, and might be better for your health. LG C10 is a OLED television. But to take advantage of everything the new consoles have to offer, you need one of the best gaming TVs to match up to all these features, and not all do. Even when it comes to new TVs released in 2020. As it stands, the best TV to buy to use with the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series 10 is the LG CX. Overall, the OLED sets are still plenty bright enough for just about any viewing environment. The CX still gets plenty bright, averaging around 300 nits in SDR, and around 700 in HDR. But is not nearly as bright as some of the year's quantum dot-equipped LED TVs, which range above 2000 nits. If you liking this video and you find it informative, please like this video, also hit the subscribe button. I will keep update the links to purchase the TV at most discounted price in the description box. When you plan to purchase, please don't forget to check the price before purchasing, else you miss a great deal. Do you ever thought 60Hz good for 4K gaming? Answer is yes, 60Hz is fine. Most computers and graphic cards can exceed the capabilities of that monitor. With that said, a 120 to 144 Hz display is better, if your brain and eyes are physically capable of seeing the difference. The CX possesses all the qualities we loved on the LG C9, including extremely low input lag, measured at -13 milliseconds at 60 Hz and -6 milliseconds at 120 Hz. One more thing about this TV is, LG CX is Futureproof TV. The TV also boasts 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, allowing for 4K 120fps gaming using a single cable on the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series 10 and next-gen PC graphics cards. The supported frequency range for AMD FreeSync Premium in LG 2020 TVs is 40 to 120 Hz. Below that range, LFC, low frame rate compensation, kicks in. Due to the HDMI 2.1 interface, the OLED is a really future-proof TV. This is the only way to enable the large data transfers, up to 40 gigabits per second, that will be needed in the future for top performance of the upcoming PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series 10. Talking about the lifespan. Ever since OLED was a research project, the lifespan of the organic material has been debated. There is no reason to worry, the latest generation of OLED TVs now has a lifespan of 100,000 hours. So you doubt this TV has eARC? Then yes. The LG CX can connect via eARC to the Ambio and output Dolby Digital, Digital Plus, True HD, and Atmos along with other formats. Be sure to use the designated eARC HDMI ports on the Ambio and CX with the HDMI included with the Ambio, or HDMI 2.1 eARC capable cord if you need to purchase a longer length. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.